In this video, arch or hollow? Ay, mali.
Mermaid. Hi guys! Today's video is a challenge ko si Mommy mag-workout. Pero nga lang, papahirapan namin si Mommy. Are you G?
G! Game!
Oh, sige, let's go!
So, this one's for the back muscles. Hawak mo dito. Pull it down hanggang sa upper chest.
Okay, sige. Ready demo.
What did you do?
I have
What did you do? You should like that.
Okay.
Wait, properly. No, you.
Hindi tapag. Yan. Pull. Chest. Yan. 1, 2.
Wow. Marila. Ba? Dali. Para saan ba workout to?
This was for the back muscles. Biceps.
I have a little. Dito?
Just a little.
Dito, coach?
Bring it to the chest, pero di ko na naman siyang chest. Paano yun?
Dito. Yan. Yan. Coach, Coach, uubusin mo na. Wala na nga eh. Bakit ganun, coach? Wala na eh. Wait.
It's for the butt also, saka sa legs.
Because you need a butt. You're flat.
Yeah. So from here,
Ow! Party, wait. Your leggings, the line is tabingi.
Okay.
Yung ba, coach, pwedeng gamitin pag ano?
Parang mermaid.
Uy! Ano yun? See? It's so easy, guys. Grabe. Ang dali. Grabe.
Naamoy ko yung panghe. I promise ang panghe ng mga pants niya.
Coach, pag ako nautot na, like that. Uy! Uy, guys!
Everyone in this house is from inside Mommy, including Daddy.
Ay, God! Hindi na ako nakalakad.
Guys, this is the prank. We're gonna make our mom do a handstand. Tingnan natin kung kaya niya.
Ano ba yun? Let's go na.
Let's go. Okay.
Chismis nyo.
This is the new skill. Coach Farland just taught us this a few days ago. So, have you heard of the handstand?
Hoy, wala akong kinalaman dyan, ha? Coach, wala tayong stretcher dito, guys. Show me. Yan. Sige lang.
Oh!
Ikot mo. Huwag ka panalo. Show.
I don't even know.
Show.